Guys, today I will talk about how can you enable follow with collections notifications on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, you just keep going down, then you click here on settings here, you just click here on settings. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on push notifications, you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to follow with collections, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's me. Follow with collections notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.